In this video, I am going to show you how to create Oracle Pearson VUE account, how to pass Oracle certification without any cost. Yes, free of cost. Oracle is offering a list of certification without any fee. And the certification plus training, they both are free without any cost. So you can use any browser which you are using in daily routine, but I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, you have to go to Oracle REMS. Oracle REMS is a website on which Oracle declared this free certification program. This program kicks off on 30th March 2020 and will be available until 15th May 2020. At the end of this page, there is a list of certifications which Oracle's offer for free. Which Oracle's offers for free. This list includes some specialist certifications, some foundations, and some associate level certifications. I am going to choose Architect Associate, OCI Architect Associate. After clicking on Architect Associate, this page redirects to this page, opens the links of learn.oracle.com. On this page, there is a module. Below titled Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2019 Architect Associate 1072. After clicking on this page, the page redirects to Oracle Pearson VUE website. After Pearson VUE website, there is a link titled Create a Web Account. This is for those who don't have a Pearson VUE account already. So click on the Create a Web Account. On this, you have to agree. I have agreed and agreed. For those who are creating their first account, they don't have their Oracle testing ID, so they have to select no, I do not know my Oracle testing ID. And after that, you have to enter your title, your first name, middle name, last name, email address, etc., and click next. And for those who already have a Pearson VUE account, they don't have to do all these things. They only have to put their username and password and click sign in. After signing to Oracle Pearson VUE, there are three options named at a local test center, at home, or a private access code. Due to this COVID-19 pandemic, we have an option to take exam at home or office. So we are going to select at home or office and click next. After clicking next, the page redirects to an agreement to online exam policies. You have to check all these paragraphs, all these statements, and click next. This page shows exam details, exam code, price, language, system requirements. One thing to be noted here that this Pearson VUE OnView application supports only Windows 10 laptop. Those laptops on which Windows 10 is running are only supported by Pearson VUE. Please do not attempt to take exams on Windows 7 or Windows 8.1. Please only go for Windows 10 laptop which has running Windows 10 latest version. Otherwise, you will waste your attempt of free certification. And after click next, then there is a exam confirm selection page, and then click next. Then you have to select date. The dates which becomes highlight when you hover your cursor over them are only available dates. Other dates are not available, so you have to choose from these available dates. So I'm going to select 15 because it is easy for me. Now you have to select time on desired selected dates on which time you are going to take exam. You are going to attempt exam. I am going to take 12 a.m. because at night in Pakistan uh, it will be easy for me to attempt exam at night, so everybody is sleeping, so there will be a quiet environment for me to attempt this exam. On this page there's a card page. After finalizing of certification process, there are details, so you can verify this, your name, your telephone number, which you had already entered in the previous in previous stages, that they are correct or not. And after proceed to check out, you have to select accept. This is a payment and billing page. This shows estimated total due is 0 because this certification is free by Oracle. And this is, I think, the last page of the whole procedure, and you have to click submit order. Yes, fortunately that was the last page, and your procedure was completed of scheduling paper on Pearson VUE, Oracle Pearson VUE. Now you have received two confirmation email from Pearson VUE on your entered email address, which was you entered during the process, during the login process, during the registration process on Pearson VUE. One is for your appointment confirmation and one is for your detailed confirmation which you had entered in this whole process. For that purpose, if you had a wrong information, then you can contact the service, customer service, for correction of information, so that you don't get wrong information on your certificate. After going to your inbox, you have received two emails. I have censored this email because of some personal information and details, so I can show you, so you can go through your personal details when you receive these emails. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Please give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like and comment this video, and also to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.